Good morning, everyone. Let's get into some cryptocurrencies because I think this is a really cool topic, so stick around. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're doing well. It is just after 10 o'clock in the morning on the 14th of April 2021. I've got my morning espresso here. And something a little bit different today is cryptocurrencies. And before I get into all that, guys, just want to say thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and like the video because that would mean a lot to me. Guys, just something different. I'm usually a stock investor, guys, a dividend stock investor because I love dividends. But I'm starting to get into cryptocurrencies, which is unreal. And I'm doing a lot of research on this stuff and I'm quite new to it. So please forgive me for those who have obviously are experts in all of this industry because look, the way I see it is it's never too late to start, guys. So cryptocurrencies for me is quite new, and I did purchase some cryptocurrencies, and I'll get into those, guys, because it's really fascinating to see the amount of returns and growth that people are having with cryptocurrencies at the moment. And I will say that in the early days, when the last boom happened, I think Bitcoin was sitting around 20,000+ Australian dollars. That's when I started getting into Bitcoin, and as a matter of fact, I actually lost my wallet key and I ended up finding it again amazingly, so I was lucky to do that. But obviously with Coinspot being released in 2018, guys, and I've been using this recently, guys. I've done some research on Coinspot. It's a good platform if you're in Australia. Use a little referral code below because we can get a share in Bitcoin, guys. I believe it's like $10 in Bitcoin, so it's really cool. So use the code below. But I have been buying some cryptos, guys. So first and foremost, let's have a look here. Obviously, this is the chart here, guys, on Coinspot, if you're not familiar with it. Bitcoin is sitting at 84,000 Australian dollars. Ethereum is sitting at 3,000. These have all gone up, guys, and you can see that Bitcoin's gone up 5.93%. Ethereum is 7.26%. BNB, guys, is now sitting at $754. XRP, $2.45. Cardano at 6.38% at $1.91, guys, and Polkadot 6.29%, $58. Uniswap $47, and Litecoin $361. You'll see all the top coins that everyone's sort of investing in now in these top coins here, and obviously the ones that are gaining as well. And one that's obviously everyone's talking about, and I jumped in early, luckily that was a few months ago, guys, in Dogecoin. It's now sitting at 12 cents. And each one of these coins, guys, is really fascinating because they each have a different purpose. And it's similar to stocks, but it's not quite. I mean, with stocks, there's a market open and close. With cryptocurrencies, it's obviously 24 hours a day and it just constantly goes and doesn't stop. So, guys, really interesting. So what I've invested in cryptocurrencies the last couple of days, and I'll go to my wallet so you guys can see that. And so I bought 5,749 Dogecoin. I bought these at like 5 cents, guys. So I have seen a 29.97% return, which is insane. And I believe that's fueled by Elon Musk's tweeting about it constantly, because Dogecoin actually started out as a joke, believe it or not. And now with Elon Musk pushing it as turning it from like a joke to a full-blown worldwide currencies, it's unbelievable, guys. You can see here that I've got some Bitcoin as well. I purchased 0.0051273 Bitcoin, guys. I'm up 5.93%, sitting at $432.03 today now. Another one I bought is THETA, guys, because I heard some friends of mine talking about THETA. Obviously there's big things to happen with this particular coin or token, if they want to call it that, sitting at 18.28 tokens of THETA. XRP, guys, I bought last night 51.98 coin XRP, and it's $125. THETA Fuel is another one I bought, 213 coin of that, $101. Stellar STR, guys, 97.35 Coins and Cardano 11.35 at $21. I had some spare money in there, so I put that in there. And Ethereum, I've got 0.0021 Ethereum as well at $6.81. So if you go to, like, for example, Bitcoin, everyone knows who Bitcoin is. They're the biggest one that you can invest in, obviously, and put your money in. And think of Bitcoin as like gold. Gold is basically Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency world. So you put your money in there as like a storage or a safe haven kind of thing, like you would with gold, because that's what people do with gold. They buy gold, they lock it in a safe, and they leave it there, and that's what Bitcoin is. And there's only, I believe it's only 21 million Bitcoin that were ever created many years ago, and that's it. So there's not going to be any more Bitcoin, and I believe half of those have actually been lost and they can't be located. Amazing. And Ethereum, guys, is the next one in line with, you know, cryptocurrencies, because there's a lot of uses for Ethereum. So let's have a look here. With the rising market capitalization, Ethereum has earned a seat alongside Bitcoin as the second biggest cryptocurrency and one of few in $1 billion club. So Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts, applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. These apps run on custom-built blockchain, and blockchain is just another world, guys. Like, there's so much to learn about it, and I really want to learn about it because it's fascinating. And enormously powerful shared global infrastructure that can move value around and represent the ownership of property. This enables developers to create markets, store registries of debts and or promises, move funds in accordance with instructions given long in the past, like a will or futures contract, and many other things that have not been invented yet, all without the middleman or cryptocurrency risk. The project was crowdfunded during August 2014 by fans all around the world. It is developed by Ethereum Foundation, a Swiss non-profit, with contributions from great minds across the globe. So, really cool app, guys. I mean, you can get a background of each cryptocurrency as well. The other one I did buy, and it was XRP, guys, and let's have a look here and see what this is. Enabling the internet of value. Global commerce is rapidly changing. Businesses are increasingly global from day one, and consumers are programmed to expect on-demand delivery services and information. Yet the current infrastructure for payments is woefully inadequate to meet these needs. Ripple works with banks to transform how they send money around the world, a necessary step to compete in today's growing economy. Our vision is to enable the internet of value so the world can move value the way it moves information today. It's unbelievable, guys. I really think cryptocurrency is the way of the future, as well as stocks, believe it or not. I mean, look, I would love to, I'm diversifying my obviously investments wherever I can to get the most maximum return, as well as bringing in cash flow. And you can think of, like, the way I look at cryptocurrencies is like a growth stock. So you buy low, and eventually it will end up going higher depending on what coins you buy. And make sure you do your research, guys. As mentioned, I do all these videos on my channel just as for fun and to just show you guys what I'm doing. So XRP was one that I bought as well, guys. The other one is Stellar. I bought some in Stellar as well, guys. Now, I haven't looked into too much detail, but I did get word to buy Stellar as well. Stellar is a platform that connects banks, payment systems, and people. Using the Stellar network, you can build mobile wallets, banking tools, smart devices that pay for themselves, and just about anything else you can dream up involving payments. Even though Stellar is a complex distributed system, working with it does not need to be complicated. So, depending on what coin you buy, guys, and what the market's going to do, obviously you have to be mindful of what the market cap here. The higher the market cap, the better the coin will be. Now, for example, if you go to Bitcoin, you know, you look at that market cap there, it's sitting at $1.5 trillion there. So the market cap is enormous. And if you look at Ethereum, 346 billion. So that is substantial as well, guys. Whereas if you go to XRP, it's sitting at 100 billion. And the larger the market cap, the better the coin is. So it just depends on what you guys find and do your research on, like Cardano's. There's a lot of video going around on Cardano at the moment, guys. So let's have a look at what Cardano ADA is a blockchain platform with many advanced features competitive with other protocols developed at this time. It was developed to address restrictive oversight while maintaining user safety and reliability. The development team states that Cardano is most precisely engineered cryptocurrency yet. Cardano aims to bring together such disciplines as distributed systems, mechanisms design, and cryptography. Open source and patent-free, Cardano has been engineered for efficiency, scalability, with an aim to create the most useful and complete cryptocurrency. Insane, guys. And the beauty about cryptocurrency is that there's no middleman here. This is completely transparent with all people around the world who own these coins. There's no middleman, there's no banks, there's no governments. They can't control cryptocurrencies, and that's why I love it as well. There's been a lot of talk in the US, obviously, with the Fed, or everywhere's printing cash, like physical money, which is devaluing the value of money. Whereas cryptocurrency, when the dollar goes down in value, cryptocurrency's value goes up pretty much. So depending, obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum are the go-to guys to have a share of. Obviously, with the price of Bitcoin, you can see here it's now $84,000. I believe it's just gone up. But like if you're going to invest, you should put your money, or I'm not telling you what to do with money, but you should buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum just for security purposes if you wish. Do your research if you're happy with that. But obviously explore other cryptocurrencies as well. See what opportunities there may be as well, guys, because that's really cool. And obviously with my purchases there, guys, you can see that I bought into Dogecoin. I bought that at like 4 or 5 cents. Now it's gone up to, and I'll just get into that, guys, so hang on a second. It's now sitting at 12 cents, so that's pretty cool, guys. Bitcoin is now up as well. THETA is now up. XRP is now up, guys. THETA Fuel was one that I saw on a forum or a YouTube video, so I did buy some of that, down 0.95%. Stellar has gone up. Cardano has gone up. Ethereum has gone up. Now, with regards to withdrawing your money, you can cash out with Coinspot as well. I'm not 100% privy with that yet, so I'll do another video on that as well. But guys, the cryptocurrency world is something that's very fascinating to me, guys. I really enjoy seeing some awesome returns that people are making here. But obviously, with anything with regards to investing, there's always a risk involved. So, there's a lot of risk with anything, including stocks as well. So just be prepared that you may lose the investment that you put into a particular coin. Make sure that you only invest what you can afford to lose, pretty much. And if there is a gain in these coins, guys, consider pulling out what you've put in and just play with the house money. That's essentially what I'd like to do anyway, and I believe I've got that with Dogecoin, but just depends on how these coins are going to go. And obviously with each one of these coins as well, there is the only a certain amount of coins that can and can't be issued, and some coins can just be endless as well. So be mindful of that. Obviously with regards to Bitcoin, there was only 21 million coins that were produced and released, and that's it. So once those coins are finished, that's the reason why the price is going up so high, because there's only a certain amount. Whereas like other cryptocurrencies can just keep making more and more tokens or coins, so the price doesn't really go up. So you've got to be mindful of that as well. So just a really cool little different thing from my dividend portfolio, guys, because I love cryptocurrencies as well, and I just find it fascinating. And I'll put up some recommendations as my cryptos grow as well. Just another avenue, guys, for you to think about. Check it out, do your research, and check out cryptocurrencies, guys, because it's the way of the future. And obviously with Elon Musk as well, selling Tesla cars to people, and they're able to use Bitcoin to buy these cars is amazing. And I believe that's going to follow through with a lot of other major companies as well, usually taking Bitcoin as a form of payment. And who knows, other companies will start using these other coins as well as forms of payment. So really cool, decentralized, uncontrolled by governments way of investing your money as well. All right, guys, so that was just a quick little video on Coinspot and my cryptocurrency investments, guys, and hope you liked that. Just wanted to give you guys an update, and so check it out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you're new to Coinspot, there's a link below, I'll put down below, that you can get if you use that as well. Sign up, put 10 bucks in, and I think we can get $10 in Bitcoin, guys. It's really cool. All right, stay safe, happy investing, guys, and I'll put a dividend video up towards the end of the week. All right, peace, bye.